Hi everyone, Bentgo Bonnie here again, and I'm so excited to introduce a healthy new addition to the growing Bentgo family. Meet Bentgo Salad. Bentgo Salad is a convenient and stylish way to keep your salads fresh on the go. This innovative all-in-one salad carrier keeps your greens, salad toppings, and dressings separate until you're ready to mix and eat. With a large salad bowl, Bentgo Salad holds enough to feed even the healthiest appetites. The compartment tray, which nests conveniently inside the bowl, easily configures to hold 3 or more salad toppings or snacks. A separate sauce container with leak-proof lid nests inside the tray for mess-free transport of your favorite salad dressing. The top lid includes a rubberized sealing ring and locking clips that seal in freshness and help prevent spills during travel. Bentgo Salad also has a built-in reusable fork, so you never have to search for utensils to enjoy your salad. The Triton cutlery cover ensures the fork stays sanitary and even has enough room to hold a paper napkin. Bentgo Salad comes in 4 vibrant color options, and like all Bentgo products, it's BPA-free, top-shelf dishwasher safe, and backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. Salads are a tasty way to support your healthy lifestyle. With Bentgo Salad, it's easier than ever to enjoy them fresh on the go. Order yours today and get exclusive access to our fun and healthy salad guide filled with delicious and unique salad ideas and recipes.
Perfect results every time you blend. The Calphalon Auto Speed Blender automatically senses and adjusts power. A precise 10-speed control powers a dual-direction 6-point blade to pulverize in seconds. There are 4 convenient presets: smoothie, dip, milkshake, or frozen drink. Reverse and standard pulse give ultimate anti-jam control. Powerful motor, durable all-metal drive, and specially engineered jar deliver precise results. Calphalon Appliances.
When it comes to measuring your food, you need a kitchen scale that is reliable, and the Corning's kitchen scale is sophisticated, durable, accurate, and easy to use. This scale uses high precision, or smooth sensors to accurately weigh and quantify your
piece for Hamilton Beach. Our electric stand mixer fuses all metal durability with over a century of mixing innovation. Planetary mixing action spins the mixing head as it rotates completely inside the bowl, removing the need to stop and scrape the sides. This revolutionary action provides superior mixing compared to traditional 2-beater stand mixers. A powerful 400-watt motor handles everything from simple mixing to the thickest cookie dough, and it can also whip cream in no time. 12 settings give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access, or you can use the pouring shield to add ingredients. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. The non-stick flat beater, dough hook, whisk, and the stainless steel 4.5 quart mixing bowl are all dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. This mixer is available in a variety of colors, so you can pick one that suits your personal style. This mixer combines the built-to-last metal construction of the past with the look of today to bring lasting quality and style to your kitchen. Now that's good thinking.